That's a way to open up the video.
You're probably wondering what this blue thing is beside me. I'll get to that. But hopefully I don't show my address, and hopefully there's not a bomb in here. So this actually came in pretty quick. Okay, I might need my Kanife. Maybe not. Oh, someone sent me a snap. I don't care. All right. Just so you don't see my address. Anyway, so there's a reason why I ordered this, because me, and if you remember him, Iron Outlaw, we're gonna go have some fun on May 9th. But anyway, bam! Yeah! The Dallas Renegades. Woo! Yeah, myself and Iron Outlaw, we're gonna go watch the Dallas Renegades play the Birmingham Stallions. And this is our favorite team in the UFL. Now, you may be wondering, well, Sam, what's that? That's a shirt that I got a few years ago, actually. It's hard to believe I've had this forever. Actually, I'm gonna put it. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm gonna put it on here in a second. I'm gonna show you how of a sexy beast I am. I've had it for quite some time because it's, you know, XFL champions when they were the Arlington Renegades in the XFL. An Outlaw a few years ago. It was, oh man, I don't remember. I think it was like a super early birthday gift, and I have took care of it and cherished it, and it will forever be one of my favorite things. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm about to get changed. And what better way to change? And I don't know how you guys start, but I always start with my shoe. Folks, this is just the first unboxing video. There's going to be many more, I promise.